This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. WhatsApp is rolling out a new privacy feature which allows users to block others from accessing their most personal conversations. The feature is called Chat Lock, and it creates a new folder that can be locked with a password or a biometrics method like a fingerprint. It will also automatically hide details of the locked chat in notifications to prevent others from snooping in while using the phone. This is especially useful for those who share their phones from time to time with a family member.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.